Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we completed the conveyor roller assembly with the bearings and the locking arrangement. In this video we will start designing the conveyor structure, especially the side frame that supports the complete conveyor system. This is very important part because the strength and the stability of conveyor depend heavily on the frame design. So let's begin. Open the part. I just want to tell you before before we begin to have the full conveyor stand design, the frame structure, it should have a roller support. It should carry the belt load and maintain the alignment, handle the vibrations, and provide the mounting support for the bearings and motor assemblies. So the poor frame design can create a belt misalignment, vibration issues, structural bending, maintenance problems. So many things are related to the frame design. So always think practically while designing structures. Now let's start modeling. Okay, now this is one of the feature from the SolidWorks, Weldments. Here we can create a structure directly. We don't need to create one profile or anything, and that will extrude and then cut extrude. So in the SolidWorks we have a direct feature for that, and for this we will start from this 3D sketch. So 3D sketch is very simple sketching feature. So you can see we don't have to select any plane or what. We can directly go to the line, and here we can see XY is appearing. Now just create one sketch directly, so you can see the sketch is a 3D, but it does not have the proper coordinate system. So we will just give the constraints. So click on this line, and this line should be along with the just make it isometric so that it will be easy. Now you can see here this is a Y, X and Z. So what we have to make this line to parallel with the Z. Okay, now these are the supports, so these are the verticals, so it will along with the Y, and the same this will be Y. Now you can see this is a properly aligned, and now to make our structure, I will do one thing. I will just delete this one. Let's make another sketch for that. This is a really a simple sketching. Okay, now we can also make this sketch on the plane. So I think this will be better for this. Okay, I will take right plane, and for this I will use a reference geometry plane. So click on it. Now in this reference geometry we can have the parallel reference plane with the right plane. Now you can see we have the plane it is parallel with the right plane. Now take a distance, let's say 200 from the plane. Okay, now you can see from the right plane to the plane 1 it is a 200 mm distance. Now we will sketch on this plane, so take a, now you can see this is our origin point and it has appeared on the plane, the reference plane, and here we can draw a simple structure. Okay, let's give the dimensions, or before the dimensions we should align this first. So this is a Z, this is Y. Now friends, actually we don't have to align because we have already taken the plane. Okay, so if we are not taking plane and we are directly going to sketch the sketch on the anywhere, then we have to apply the alignment with the particular X, Y or Z directions. So now just I will keep these 1000 mm. Okay, 10 left. And our height of this conveyor should be at least 750 mm around, so I will keep 750. Okay, and now just make this line and this line relation is make equal. Okay, now it should be at the center, so I will align the origin point and the midpoint are aligned with the X. Now you can see our sketch is black, so it is a fully defined sketch. Now go to the exit and just I will hide this plane. This is our sketch. Go to the structural member. No, okay, I always prefer to select the ISO. The type, we have so much types. Okay, angle and C channel, pipe, rectangular tube, SB beam, square tube. So I will prefer, this is only a 1 meter conveyor and the 750 mm height, so I will prefer the square tube, and I will prefer 40 by 40 by 4, and here the groups. So here we can select directly our sketch lines one by one. So as you can see, this is automatically taken the cross at a 45 degrees. Okay, click on OK. Now hide the sketch. Okay, now I think that our plane was at the 200, so only 400 mm width is enough actually, but we can, I think we should increase the length of our conveyor. so that it will be a more practical when we go to the next session, so it will be more helpful. And actually we have made our roller with the I think 200 width, so this is also we have to change. I will change it to the 100. We will change as per our requirement when we go to the assembly stage, then we will change it. Okay, now we will go to the mirror. I want to mirror this with above the right plane. Okay, and let's select a body. Yeah, okay. Now friends, I really think that this structure will not be a sturdier. Okay, so what I mean is we don't have the we have the legs, and the distance between these legs are too small, so the conveyor can fall on, or it may tilt. So I think we should add one more leg. So for that I will use a 3D sketch again. I will modify this. Let's say this is our leg. Okay, now go to the select the line, and this is a X direction, this is a Y direction, and just trim. Okay, it's not okay. Trim is done. Now go to the another side, and this is X, this is Y, and also I will keep the dimension. Let's say our width is 200, so we will keep at least 150 mm. Okay, so 150 mm is sufficient to make our stand or structure. Okay, let's keep 750 mm height from this to this. Select the line and the okay, so it is crossed. Okay, fine, we will add like this. Let's say it's a 500, and this will be a 250. Okay, now we will add constraints. This is equal, this is also equal, and this is also equal. Okay, first we will trim this. Yeah, and this is also equal, so make the equal. Now it turns black, so it is fully defined. Now exit the sketch. Now again go to the square tube. Now friends, we have to add new group for this line and this, Okay, again the new group, this line. Okay, in the mirror we have to select these bodies. Click on OK. Now we have to add support between these two frame structure. So I will directly select this face and just add this sketch over on it. Okay. So just select this and this, make it coincident. Also we will add at this point. Okay, this should be at the center point of this, so I will select this midpoint and make it coincident, so it turns black, so it is fully defined. Now for this I will, okay, I don't have any reference, so okay, I will give dimension for that. This is a 40 mm, so we will keep 20 mm, so that the center line of the weldments will be defined. Okay, now again go to the weldments structural member and add these two lines. Okay, I want to tell you something while designing. Okay, first what is happening here I will tell you. This is just we have a feature here, locate profile, so we can locate the profile of this square tube. Okay, just select this side, so it will shift to this. Okay, yeah. Now I want to just tell you something while designing weldment. So while designing any structure, so this structure is will going to made by the fabrication, so welding will be here on the joints of each joints of this frame. So always think that our design is suitable for the welding, suitable for our structural requirements as per our load on the conveyor. So always think about that. Okay, we will add a mirror, just take a plane, front plane and bodies. Yeah, so here we have made our frame structure. So in the next video we will again learn about how to mount our roller and how to mount our the bearing, the drive roller, and in the upcoming videos we will add the motor, how to select the motor, what will be the ratio of the gearbox and all. Okay friends, so we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.